probably do feel more crazy here. Wow, he lets you get that close, huh?
Yeah, I'm trying to see how far he lets it get to him, how close he gets. Lets me get to him.
I'm sure they feed him. That's why he gets.
What?
It's safe to get this close.
Alright, let's go over there. Alright, it's ready.
You're supposed to be wild.
Oh, wow, what's down there?
Oh, he has a cool mark on his back.
There's a squirrel right there. Where'd it go? You get on what? Come here. It's over here too. Yeah, but this one is right here.
Oh,
There's two of them.
Oh, there's two over here around the
Oh, I wanted to get him as he was climbing. Your pictures are coming out better than mine. That's not good. Squirrels at the Grand Canyon. Grand squirrels, I should say.
Well, I'm recording it.
Yeah. I think that super zoom is good. They're just chilling.